much test hits all weekend. I'm here with the Darton crew. Brandy's over here doing her thing, her job. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. No, I'm really not kidding. Okay. All right. Got the car getting warmed up. Oh, or they just stopped it. This is the AR Fab Pink Lemonade car. It's got the 76 mil on straight methanol, and got the G-force shifter. Mr. Howard Anderson with the chops. Got the this G-force transmission now with the V-gate shifter, just up, back, straight methanol. Got 8 ID 2600s in there. 76 mil GTX 4709. Should make some steam. We got Grilly over here.
Hello, hello, hello.
What's up, buddy?
How you doing today?
Good. #1 job, the Zeus man.
These things are so much fun.
Oh yeah, there you go. There you go. Gonna go do a little ride through of the pits and scoot around a little bit. Got English Racing. What's up, Gio? Let's see. Got Rafa and Abe's. Got some got Andre right there. Looking good. Some Mazda 3 stuff, LS car. More LS cars. La Jenny. Got the VW crew over here. Todd Pavix and them. Sparks Racing. Got a lot of different cars here this year because of being Hail Mary rather than World Cup. You can have some crossovers if you know you got a domestic and an import chassis, stuff like that. Got Crayon 2 camp here. Pro Mods. DUI Evo, Yorkie crew. Got Derail and Napo. Napo's car looking good. What'd you think, Napo? What's it doing? Napo's 67 mil car. Looks like they just got done warming it up. Got Derail shit going. Hey, Bethany. Looking good. The Pro Jacks now. Oh, he got the Revolution turbo wheel on that thing. You can see the Revolution right there. That thing looks serious. That looks even more aggressive than the Precision next gen. I thought mine was aggressive. That thing is crazy, man. It looks crazy without the motor. Yeah, that thing ready to make some steam. Yeah. Hell yeah. Got Daryl's car. Mr. Clean himself over here. Ready? Ready to go like a teen. Something like that. Yeah. Got Bethany. Oh, that's her job. Clean the car. How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Good. Good. A car show winner.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We don't need anything else, right?
Right. Hey, that's what it matters. Man putting tire shine on the slicks right now. That's serious. Man, you're gonna oil down the track just from the tire shine.
I don't go fast. I always got to look good.
Yeah, that's right. Hey man, is that bolt supposed to be missing on your wheel? Smart car game is serious out here. I actually drove my truck rather than my smart car this year. Let's see.
All right, so
got the H22 crew out here.
20 minutes away from
With them some last night. Lopez and all them. I don't know where they are.
20 minutes away.
Car's looking good though. Got that tranny working well.
If you have been
Red Demon. racing this year.
I know you fucking up.
Nah, my bank account likes it, bro. What's up?
Damn right, is that the bird?
Nah, dude, this is the hover, the Chinese knockoff, bro.
Yeah, I think it's meant though. Yeah.
This thing goes 15 though. What's up? Daniel's car, this thing been 7s, right? Now? Yeah. With Shue Tuning behind the wheel, behind the keyboard. Not behind the wheel, behind the keyboard. Yeah, yeah. What's the goals for today?
Deeper in the 7s.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
4985.
This thing's on a, what, a stock Q45 diff and 300ZX axles?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's serious. That's serious. Have you even touched the spray yet?
We only use it on the transport.
Okay. Okay.
It's going down the track. It's not
Okay.
screwed. Yeah.
On just a regular like S4. There's Daniel here.
What's up?
What's going on? Craig on what? S4 or what?
It's 76.
Okay.
Cast.
Oh, cast wheel still?
Yeah, so it's a billet.
Oh, it's a billet wheel. Yeah. Yeah. IGN 180.
Off the shelf deal, man.
Yeah. Right. Y'all just look at this craziness right here. I mean, when you got you a freaking drag car Lambo, that's just ridiculous. And they have a freaking Lambo, SUV along with it. That thing is serious. My boy Andre going in the burnout box. Where'd that come from? Where'd that come from?
That's sand from the powder coat.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's all sand.
They just put sand all over the racetrack. He said from the powder coat, or either that or he had like weight with sandbags. I don't know. And it busted. Yeah.
Oh, man.
We got the Maryland International Raceway beach going on out here. Somebody about to make a sandcastle. For the CRX. UI Evo going up. Crazy Russians. Okay, John Forrest, I hear you. Jason Miller's filming. They definitely brought some attention.
Everybody's got to go.
They brought some attention.